Here's a 2007 Hyundai Sonata. Beautifully sculpted, this efficient midsize sedan is more than meets the eye with endless comfort and impressive power. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: AM/FM stereo radio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, power windows, air conditioning, manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. AutoWeek writes, the Sonata is no sports car, but it is powerful enough to keep your attention, while the suspension front double wishbones with coil springs, rear multi-link with coils is firm enough, and the steering responsive enough to keep you engaged. Challenging convention to find a better way. It's the Hyundai way. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.